Hello kids, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to learn ABCD in capital letter. Colors name: neon color, dark blue color, red color, pink color, orange color, black color, blue color and brown color. Red color: A for apple, A for apple. Brown color: B for ball, B for ball. Blue color: C for cat, C for cat. Yellow color: D for dog, D for dog. Red color: E for elephant, E for elephant. Brown color: F for fish, F for fish. Blue color: G for girl, G for girl. Brown color: H for hand, H for hand. Yellow color: I for ice cream, I for ice cream. Red color: J for joker, J for joker. Blue color: K for king. L for lemon, L for lemon. M, red color, M for mango, M for mango. Brown color: N for nose, N for nose. Yellow color: O for owl, O for owl. Blue color: P for piano, P for piano. Brown color: Q for queen, Q for queen. Red color: R for ring, R for ring. Brown color: S for star, S for star. Yellow color: T for tomato, T for tomato. Red color: U for umbrella, U for umbrella. Red color: V for village, V for village. Blue color: W for water, W for water. Red color: X for xylophone, X for xylophone. Yellow color: Y for yak, Y for yak. Brown color: Z for zebra. And at last we make a sweet little kitty. At last we make smiley for happy kids. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Now I know my ABC. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you next video with a new topic ABCD 1 2 3. Till then, bye.